In this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. So from our Kraken app, we are going to click on the More section, and in here we're going to click on Withdraw, and now we're going to select Bitcoin. So select the network in here and also select the same network on your Phantom Wallet. So let's go for Bitcoin, and now let's enter the amount. So let's say we want to transfer $2, then now we are going to select an address. And if you don't have one yet, you're going to click on the arrow down, and then down below you see add withdrawal address. And as you can see, I already have one, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to remove it, and I'm going to create a new one by clicking on add withdrawal address. So in here, select the network again, and that is Bitcoin, and now allow paste. And right now we need to add in the withdrawal address from our Phantom Wallet. So for that, we're going to our Phantom Wallet app. So from our Phantom Wallet app, we're going to click on Receive. And in here, we're going to select Bitcoin. And I'm going for Taproot. And now we can copy this withdrawal address to our clipboard. And now we can enter this in our Kraken app. So I have pasted in the withdrawal address. And now I'm going to click on Continue. Now you need to make a description. And I'm just going to call it Phantom BTC. Click on Continue again. Confirm. So Kraken always sends you a confirmation email to confirm a new withdrawal address. So go ahead and look in your junk or your spam or your normal inbox for this email, and then click on confirm withdrawal address. And then you will be redirected to another screen. And after that, we can go back to our app. So the address is approved and we can go back to our app now. So as you can see, we can insert an amount of Bitcoin to transfer, and there is a minimum in here, and the minimum is around $19. So after you reach that minimum, you're going to click on Review, and after that you're going to click on Confirm, and then you will be able to finalize this transfer. So that is how you transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to your Phantom Wallet. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.